behalf of the candidate, we pledge keep the morning up, which means I will have prayer and personal Bible study each day. Sir, on behalf of the candidate, we pledge divine on the sport, which means that by the power and the grace of God, I will share of the work at camp and will always be there when others may need my help.
Sir, on behalf of the candidate, we will share my
What expose my mind and senses only to the which is good, noble, just, pure, lovely, and of good report.
Sir, on behalf of the candidates, we pledge be participant, which means I will be kind, thoughtful, of others. Reflecting the love of Jesus in all association with others.
Sir, on behalf of the candidates, we pledge walk softly in the sanctuary, which means in any devotional exercise, I will be quiet, careful, and reverent.
Sir, on behalf of the candidate, we pledge keep us in your heart, which that I will always be cheerful and happy, so that my experience of my life will be the race of sunshine and others. Sir, on behalf of the candidate, we pledge to work on God's standards, which means confident, and we always have to go about going good just as responsibility.
On behalf of the Lupihan Adventist Elementary School Pathfinders, I accept the candidates of